Hello and welcome to another Vista tips and tricks video. Today we are looking at using hazers in Vista. When you patch in a hazer using its actual profile, you'll be presented with something that looks like this. An icon with its intensity at full, but kind of no controls to be found anywhere. And this is because for most haze profiles, you'll find them in the beam tab. And this is just a kind of little safety measure so you don't accidentally bring your hazer to full whilst you're using things like highlight or accidentally record them in whilst using other fixtures. But that means, how do we control them? So the easiest way to control your hazers in this kind of format is to create two Q lists. I like to have one for haze and then one for fan. In the first list, we're going to label the Q haze. And I'm going to bring the haze channel to full by just clicking and dragging. And then we're going to go to our second Q list, label the Q fan, and same again, we're just going to bring the fan channel to full by clicking and dragging. Once we've done this, we just need to look at some Q list properties. So I want my release timing to be 0. I want it to be an all features fader type because we are going to be bringing the beam attributes in and out on the fader. We're going to make an autoplay and release. And we're also going to exclude it from store. This is just another way to make sure you're not recording any of your haze or fan values into the rest of your show by accident. Then we're going to hit OK. And we do exactly the same for the other one. So, fader type, all features, autoplay and release, exclude from store on, and release timing 0. Then hit OK. Now we can close and save these. So I'm going to hit close. Label the lists, so this one is haze, save and release, and this one will be fan, save and release. Then we can go over to our Q list, our console, and we can just throw on the haze and fan to our faders. And now, because we made these autoplay and release, as soon as we nudge these faders, they will fire our Q, but the level will be wherever we set it on the fader. So if I want the haze to be at 50%, I can throw it to 50, I can have the fan at 100, or anywhere in between for both of these channels independently. The last thing I like to do is throw an inhibit on the top of these. And this is so if I found a really nice kind of haze level for my show and we're like having a long programming day, it means that when we go for a break, I can just inhibit these, leave the faders where they are, but know that no haze will ever come out, and then when I come back I can just uninhibit them and carry on with my programming session. It's also just like another quick safety feature if you just need to stop your haze, just tapping these two buttons and we'll do it for you. So I hope this has helped. Let me know if you have any questions about this video, and I'll see you in the next one.